a virus capable of hiding inside human nerves for life. Infects billions of people worldwide. Herpes simplex viruses, known as HSV, are double-stranded DNA viruses belonging to the Herpesviridae family. Two major types commonly infect humans, HSV1 and HSV2. HSV1 is typically associated with oral infections, while HSV2 is often associated with genital infections. Both are highly adapted human pathogens. Once inside the host cell, the virus hijacks the cellular machinery to replicate its genetic material. Herpes simplex virus spreads mainly through direct skin or mucosal contact with infected secretions, including oral or sexual contact. It is most contagious when sores are present but can also spread when they are not. The virus enters through tiny breaks in the skin or mucous membranes, quickly finding its way to the nerve endings. This primary infection is just the beginning of a lifelong journey for the virus within the host. After infecting epithelial cells, the virus travels along sensory nerves and establishes latency inside nerve ganglia, where it can remain dormant for years. In this latent state, the virus produces only a few proteins, effectively hiding from the immune system. The nervous system acts as a perfect sanctuary, protecting the virus from being eliminated by antibodies or T cells. Here, it waits for the right conditions to wake up and begin the cycle of infection once more. Stress, illness, sunlight exposure, or weakened immunity can reactivate the virus, leading to recurrent outbreaks. The viral DNA becomes active, producing new particles that travel back down the nerve. This journey back to the surface often starts with a tingling or itching sensation at the site of the original infection. The virus then reinfects the skin cells, causing the characteristic blisters known as cold sores or genital lesions. The body's immune system eventually forces the virus back into dormancy, but the cycle can repeat indefinitely. HSV infections may cause painful blisters or ulcers around the mouth or genital region. In rare cases, herpes can lead to encephalitis, a dangerous inflammation of the brain. Neonatal infection is another serious concern, as the virus can be transmitted to newborns during childbirth. For immunocompromised patients, HSV can lead to severe, widespread disease and chronic complications. Understanding these symptoms and risks is vital for effective management and public health. Although herpes simplex virus cannot currently be eliminated from the body, antiviral medications such as acyclovir can reduce symptoms and viral shedding. These treatments work by inhibiting the viral DNA polymerase, preventing the virus from making copies of itself. Modern medicine continues to search for ways to target the latent virus directly within the nerve cells. For now, managing the infection and preventing transmission remain the cornerstones of treatment. Herpes simplex virus remains one of the most widespread human viral infections globally, affecting billions of individuals, often without them even knowing they are carriers. Public health organizations emphasize the importance of education to reduce the spread and stigma associated with the virus. Because so many infections are asymptomatic, widespread testing and awareness are key to managing the global impact. HSV remains scientifically important because of its unique ability to establish lifelong latency inside the nervous system. This mechanism of persistent infection provides a fascinating model for studying viral host coevolution. Researchers are investigating the precise molecular triggers that switch the virus from dormant to active. Deciphering these signals could one day lead to a permanent cure that removes the virus from the body forever. Herpes simplex virus demonstrates how some viruses can permanently coexist with the human nervous system. Modern antiviral medicine continues helping patients manage infection and reduce complications. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the nervous system, our ability to treat and eventually defeat this silent companion grows every day.